comparisons as to the leg press that you can get versus our top dog here. We're gonna give you prices and compare these things so that you can make an informed decision as to what type of leg press works for you.
Let's get ready to rumble!
This thing right here costs and starts at $4,200. $4,200 to start off if you want a piece of equipment like this. It comes with a custom color. We chose to pick blue, navy blue, because we absolutely love this color, and it depends on your preference. You could choose whatever color they have in that factory. It is a whopping 555 pounds of pure metal, pure beast. I mean, somebody give me a napkin. I got saliva all over my freaking face because I'm so excited about this machine.
But the benefit of this machine is it's a small footprint for the home gym user. Its weight is 94 pounds.
This comes with a full commercial warranty, and it was delivered, assembled just as you see right here, okay? It's load capacity, you guys. The load capacity that it can withstand here on this leg press machine is a whopping 1,000 pounds. Okay, just to let you guys get a little bit more familiar with this, is that without no weight loaded on this, this is gonna be 95 pounds, you guys. So it's pretty simple to get on here if you're an average fitness level person, to be able to come here and press this twice at least with 2 legs, okay?
It can take up to 400 pounds, but you're gonna see me test that theory today.
Sitting on it like this, okay? And I would risk hurting my lower back trying to just mount this thing. Well, you can go ahead and erase that off this leg press machine, because they had an added bar right here for safety. Not only to pull up, which I'll show you in a minute, but to also easily sit down comfortably. You come up here, you grab this, it has a nice bar here so you get a good grip on your hands. Put both hands on there, okay? And depending upon how heavy you are, you can easily work your way down so that you can sit down comfortably and place your feet right here and get ready for that solid leg press workout, okay? Second of all, if you look at this machine right here, come closer, we have 2, right? Not just 1. We have 2 safety catches, because sometimes when you're working out, you are so pumped, you want to get that last rep in, you may, okay, have to, all right, miss that first level because you're so taxed out, but don't worry, you have a second one, okay? A second one that you can catch yourself, and whoa, you're safe, you're not being crushed by the amount of enormous weight that you're putting on, and you can go clear, okay, and live another day to do a leg press.
So we're gonna start this out with no plates on the machine. I'm gonna pick it up and let it go. Okay, it went down on its own. When I first got it, it didn't do that. It kind of got stuck. So I had to put a lot of 3-in-1 oil in each cylinder there. And then after time of, doing many reps with it, it kind of got it to go a little bit smoother. But you can still feel a little bit of a grind on the inside, like it's not completely smooth. So when you are putting on weight, I don't know how many pounds you might deduct from that weight because of the non-smoothness, but I'm also showing you that the pins down there, you can put it at different levels. That's what I'm showing you. I started at the lowest level, now I'm starting at the highest level, and that's usually where you would do your calf work. You would start at the highest level. Now I'm going to take the pins, put it down to the second level down, and show you the height of it, and that would be actually a good spot to start your leg presses with. But I usually just keep it in the bottom peg, and that's where I start my stuff all the time. But you'll see in a later video that once you go heavy, that's not a good starting position.
Now let me show you how to dismount this thing properly. So left and right arm, boom, and let the security sit on that. Okay, put your legs back down. Man, did I tell you I love this bar? You just grab this bar, okay, help yourself up and walk right out of the leg press machine. You see that? You see how easy that was?
Also, it is very difficult to get out of the machine, and you got to get creative.
Come over here closer. Don't be shy, come on. Sometimes when you're working out on a leg press machine, you gotta go get the weights because it's a free weight machine. Well, not with this machine. They thought about this thing. Look, they have actual weight racks to stack your weights on here. So after you do your leg workout, okay, you don't have to consume any more unnecessary energy, okay, to walk to a different weight rack. You can place it right here and continue with your massive leg workout.
And I'm gonna be starting off with two 45-pound plates for the demonstration. You also are gonna see the look of the machine right here, so you can get an overall impression. I got two landmines attached to it, which is very convenient. You see the weight horns here. I'm gonna go down. That weight plate in the back wall, it's just an extra thing that I had from a GHD, and I didn't want to scuff up my walls with my feet, so I put it there. But you can see the setup right here, the pin locations, 1, 2, 3 spots. I always keep it at the bottom. The handles, they feel good, they're thick, and the weight plate is a little short, but it works. I mean, it's better than having your feet on a bar underneath the Smith machine. And I wanted to make sure that you were able to hear exactly what the machine sounded like. You could hear something inside of the machine getting caught up a little bit, and that's where the smoothness is not there.
And real quick, you guys, just like the adjustment on the safety catches there, you can also have an adjustment here to fit your comfort.
But as you can see right here, my heel is coming off of the back end of the plate. That means I have to scoot my ass even further back to the wall. In fact, I might even have to scoot this machine a little bit out so my ass will hang off of the seat, because I'm not completely lined up underneath it. And that means my head would be completely off of this headrest, and I'm about 6 feet tall. So unless you're over 6 feet tall, that headrest is really not even worth it. I mean, it should adjust. So there's some flaws to this machine.
Calf raise machine to get these massive calves like this. Let me show you real quick, and this is also a secret that we here at FitStem like to follow a lot, because whenever you're training your quads, you also want to train your calves as well, because you want to be unbalanced, bro. You want to be wearing sweats at the gym all day, do you? And you don't want to be that guy that has the weakest leg in the team. All right, so here we go. Let's mount this thing like we just showed you, okay? Lay down comfortably, grab your safety bars, and instead of putting your feet right here on the actual leg press board, look, they've installed this little thing right here, right? This little bar right here, which has sandpaper on it so that you don't slip. I'm telling you, these guys that actually made this thing and put it together, they actually thought about this thing, right? And I'm very, very pleased to actually pick this up because it works out for us. To do the calf raises, you would just have to put your toes on this bar, lift up, and just go ahead and do calf raises. Just like that, boom. You see? Just like that, and you can activate your calf muscles, okay, right after you're doing your leg press and you're activating these quads.
And now I'm gonna show you how you can do the calves, right there. I failed this attempt because I needed to start my starting point a little bit higher.